to a new concept, how to dress up your fireplace. In most of our homes, especially overseas, whether it's Europe, America, or different parts of the globe, where winter is primarily there most of the time, fireplace is a very, very important area in our homes. You can do it in a very contemporary way, classic, or fusion. Earlier, in earlier times, mostly everybody preferred classic fireplaces and real, genuine fireplaces. Now, of course, with times changing and people having less time on their hands, everybody is getting new contemporary fireplaces which are electric and functional and easy to use. So, let me take you through a simple fireplace I have here in this space, which is classic, elegant, and just dresses up the mantle with keeping the fireplace area functional. So to my left, I have a really simple mantle, beige in color, with a soft beige marble. Below that, I have got a classic molding detail, which is typically English classic. To my left here, we have two small motifs, which also are English classic and Regency style. You know, Charleston and Regency are historic architectural styles all over and have been there for centuries. We have also got simple flutes to dress it up, and the main area of the fireplace. We right now, when we have summer in India, as we have right now, we just put an accessory to fill it up. Once you move that, you can use this space with all your wood and your hub and your chimney, which is all connected behind the scenes. We also can use this for an aesthetic purpose. An aesthetic purpose in a classic fireplace would be you have a nice carved mirror. The mirror could be gold leaf or gold paint, depending on your choice. You also have on either side two accent pieces. It could be a vase, it could be table lamps, or it could be beautiful sculptures. In this particular scene, we have to my left and behind me a really nice green Murano vase, which is at least 2 to 2.5 feet in height, which makes it opulent, grand, and also makes a statement even though we have just few minimal accessories in this fireplace. To my left, I have another vase with another set of flowers, but there's one key element. Both the flowers are pink in color, which adds a synergy and a theme to the way it is done. So it's a very basic, simple, elegant fireplace, classic interiors, not a contemporary one. However, I will in one of my sessions and my other master classes show you a contemporary fireplace as well. To see how you mix and blend things which are classic, contemporary, different color schemes, and yet put them together and look attractive. Everything doesn't have to be matched and coordinated and all in one flow. So every time, the more you experiment, the more creativity you show, and more style and color and objects and creation. So let me take you through this. On my right, I have this Venetian vase, as I mentioned, which has pink flowers. Next to that, we have this really nice bronze sculpture by a very well-known, renowned sculptor in India. In the middle, we have a nice Murano contemporary orange vase just to bring color to this interior and this fireplace. As everything, as you can see, is all very subtle, beige. The marble top on the fireplace is beige, and so are all the colors in the fireplace, and the elements, the decorative elements, soft and a soft palette. Usually people do their fireplaces either in stone or marble or different types of textures or even wood. But what I have used here is POP. Plaster of Paris is a very old ancient technique, but yet it doesn't make it, it makes it more cost effective, and yet you still get the same look, provided you get the good contractor and the good craftsman to execute your work. Behind me is again a classic element where which you have a classic crystal vase come candle stand to dress up this space. And behind me is again another green with pink flowers. So we've just kept 5 basic accessories to dress up this fireplace. And also below that you've put one accessory for the summer months. When your months come, we obviously would like to use a real fireplace, and this is a real fireplace with a chimney and all the necessary features. We also suggest to you that for your fireplaces, you could also get different looks, feels, and materials to dress it up. A fireplace can also be very, very English classic, and you could have two very nice, elegant wing chairs right next to it where you can sit, read books or newspapers to get a cozy evening or a cozy morning. I hope this was helpful to you. We look forward to your feedback and comments and can help you anytime. Do call us for any interior query at angiehomes.co, www.angiehomes.co. Thank you.